Right, Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem, Parkadash. And the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Hashem, and the names of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the last one short tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out of the earthquakes in diverse places as of October. I meant to say November November the 1st, 2025 on this Saturday. So I'm gonna look up the latest earthquakes in diverse places. Salakia. And this is from the latest earthquakes.usgs.gov. And you had a 3.1 earthquake recorded 69 kilometers north of Patalio, Puerto Rico. And then you had a 4.5 earthquake recorded 96 kilometers east of northeast of Patrolet of Kamchatsky of Russia. And then you had a 3.1 earthquake recorded 69 kilometers of Castillo, Puerto Rico. And you had a 4.5 earthquake recorded 18 kilometers southeast of Shashi of Japan, if I pronounced that right. And then you had a 4.6 earthquake recorded 49 kilometers northwest of Madelia of Iraq. And then you had a 2.8 earthquake recorded 31 kilometers northwest of Nawilac of Alaska, if I pronounced that right. And then you had a 4.4 earthquake recorded 37 kilometers east of northeast of Makali of Ethiopia. You had a 5.0 earthquake recorded 87 kilometers west of northwest of Rollerball, Papua New Guinea. And then you had a 4.5 earthquake recorded 105 kilometers southeast of Aladio, Raleigh of Funtia, if I pronounced that right. And then you had a 2.7 earthquake recorded that was 41 kilometers southeast of Fox River, Alaska. And you had a 4.9 earthquake recorded 36 kilometers southeast of Basco, Philippines. And then you had a 2.5 earthquake recorded that was 39 kilometers east and southeast of Fox River, California. And then you had a 3.3 earthquake recorded 62 kilometers north and northwest of San Antonio, Puerto Rico, if I pronounced that right. And then you had a 4.0 earthquake recorded. And I believe it was in that same area, like a couple of days ago, they had a 6.1 earthquake over there in that area. And then as of today, they had a 4.1 earthquake over there in the area. So those were the latest earthquakes as of November 1st, 2025 so far. So I expect to see more earthquakes to continue to increase as the days progresses on. It's today, on Saturday. So we bring out that Luke 21 verse 11. So we definitely going to be seeing the Heavenly Father visit this earth with these earthquakes in various places and earthquakes in diverse places. These are the very important signs that the Heavenly Father spoke about from the days of the beginning. So we're going to continue to see these high magnitude of earthquakes at an alarming rate, and that's what we're seeing on a daily basis. This is 2nd Esdras chapter 9 verse 2. It says, then thou shalt understand it is a very same time, or in the highest is the Heavenly Father hour, will begin to visit the world which you made. Right, so we're going to see the Heavenly Father visit this earth now, so whatever which you made with these earthquakes. So we're going to see increasing uptick of high magnitude of these earthquakes. Now they say it has something to do with Mother Nature, climate change, the heart machine, and all that. But at the end of the day, we give credit to the Heavenly Father Yahweh of Him visiting this earth with these weather-like conditions. So we're going to be seeing more tornadoes, earthquakes, landslides, floodings, famines, and pest plagues, etc. And definitely the key point is the earthquakes. We're going to be seeing it at a longer rate. 2nd Esdras chapter 9 verse 3, it says, therefore when there shall be seen earthquakes upwards through the world. Right, so increasing earthquakes and upwards through the world, so that's only going to continue to increase. So this was just a quick lesson that I wanted to bring out of earthquakes in diverse places as of November the 1st, 2025 on this Saturday. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh. It is only begotten Son, Ba'Hashem, in the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the last one short tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders and the apostles, Wa'akim Akwaf. Until next time, I would say Korban Shalom, Shalom, and about